Alright guys, I just want to talk to you for a minute today. This past week or so has been kind of rough on many accounts. I've lost 2 friends in the past week to suicide. One back home, Pennsylvania, and one here. Somebody I work with on base, military member. It fucks me up. You know, people that I have memories with, like I wasn't really close with either guy, but I still have memories with that person. And just the type of person I am, like I can talk to you about anything for forever. Like we can sit down, we've never met, have a beer, and we'll have a good time. First time we ever met, it would be great. And you know, like knowing those guys and to the fact that they did that, like that hurts me so bad. Like I feel like I could help anybody. Like I talk to many of you guys through Instagram and Facebook and in the comments on the videos just trying to help. I love helping people. Like that's something that I really enjoy doing. Like whether it's mechanical or just straight knowledge or talking about life. I've been through a bunch of shit myself. I've been down. Like my first deployment I ever had, at the time I was married and I found out my wife was cheating on me. Like that was like the worst possible scenario ever. And like I've never been so down in my life. They actually sent me home from my deployment to the like, because I was so messed up. Like I was like not, and anyway, like there's always someone to talk to. Like there's, whether it's a friend or a coworker, or there's phone numbers, there's a suicide hotline. There's so many people that you could reach out to and talk to and vent, and maybe you get an idea or something that might help. I don't know. Just what I'm trying to get at is, if you know, be closer with your friends. Like get even like a coworker, like even if you aren't like the best of friends and you feel like something's off, maybe like, you know, invite them out. Like, hey dude, you might not even be in the cars. Like maybe come out to a car meet or do something. Like do like a group thing. Like have a little like house party and, you know, watch a UFC fight or boxing, or, you know, get your friends together and enjoy them while you can. Like you never really know what could happen. Like, and that's, you know, like people say, like, you know, every day you should be thankful that you wake up, you know, and you're alive. Like, but you should also be thankful that your friends and people that are around you wake up and are still alive too, because you never know. It could be, you know, a Saturday afternoon, you're having a good time, you're out with your girl, and then you get that text or that phone call that one of your friends are just, I mean, they're gone now. Like they're just, you're never gonna see them again. And that sucks. And that really sucks. Like, it sucks a lot. Now I've lost a lot of friends this year, just to, I mean, in drugs alone, not even suicide. Like heroin and shit is so bad back home in Pennsylvania that it's sad, it's bad. It's so bad. Drug overdoses in that DMV area, I mean, sure, it's everywhere, but it's like, to me, it's more prominent because, you know, that's where I'm from, but Jesus Christ, it's bad. I'm sorry this isn't like car related, but I feel like I need to like vent more or something. Maybe I'll help somebody. I don't know. If you got shit going on in your life, you don't really, like, most of you guys don't even know me. Like, shoot me a message on Instagram and we'll talk. Like, if you, I mean, problems and shit or whatever, hit me up. Like, I'm always down to talk. If I have free time, I'm not racing or making a video, or like right now I'm out processing. Like I got 2 weeks left in the Air Force until I'm on terminal leave, which means I have X amount of days off until my like DOS, my date of separation, which is June 11th. And 2 weeks from yesterday is when I'll start my terminal leave. So I got 2 weeks and I'm finishing up all my out processing. And then June 18th, I start my new job with Lockheed. Like I said, I'm at the same place with the same people, which is something I want, because this is my first and only base. So the people that I've been with over these past 6 years, like, we really haven't gotten that many new people, and not really that many people have left. So we've became like a pretty tight family. Like when we were working with the same, you know, amount of people over 6 years, you really get to know each other. And, you know, when shit like this happens, it's like, you know, we're not always hanging out every weekend and this and that, but like we're still, when we're at work, like we're buddies, like we're friends. Some of us are kind of shitheads and, you know, whatever, but we're still like, we stay together. And for this to happen, you know, you never think it's gonna happen to you. There's always been deaths and stuff in other squadrons around base, you know, like, damn, that sucks. But when it happens to you, it's like, shit, dude, like, he was the homie, like, he was a homie. Like, I seen this dude every day, like, and that sucks. Look after your friends. Look after yourself. If you're down and in the ditches, just speak up. Like, as men, as dudes, like, it's kind of a thing for us to, like, hold our emotions back and not, like, you know, reach out to people. But it's okay. It's okay to do that. Like, don't be afraid to ask for help. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. Even you might seem like you're a pussy or a bitch or whatever. Those people that are saying those kinds of things, you don't need those kind of people in your life anyway. To reach out. There's always someone out there that's going to be willing to help you, that you can vent to, that can maybe help you get over whatever it is that you're going through. And I just make that happen. Look out for your people. On the other hand, anything new here, I just ordered tires Wednesday. I'm going to do one more event on these tires before I replace them, and then that following week is when I final out, and then I'm probably going to make the 24-hour drive back to Pennsylvania in this car for the first time. I did it twice in my R32, or once in my R32, but I've done it twice in general. And I just want to go home and, like, see my friends and show off the car a little bit, you know, maybe go down to Ocean City, hang out for a couple days, and I'm going to go to Indiana and see my mom. My mom lives in Indiana, so I might stop at a few cities on the way, take some pictures, maybe even find some meat. So if you guys are anywhere, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, I'll be going West Virginia, Maryland, maybe a second in Delaware. But there's, like, some shit going on between the 24th of May over Memorial Day weekend up to, like, June 7th or so. Let me know in the comments. Like, I would love to stop in a city and, like, meet some people. That'd be pretty cool. But I feel like, you know, so, yeah, I felt like I had to, like, get this out of me. Like, if I could help one person, like, that would be awesome. But autocross next weekend, Amarillo, the SCCA group, and then this weekend, tomorrow we got the yearly car show on base, and we're gonna do a bunch of awards and shit, and, like, giveaways, and we're gonna have, like, some, like foot races. I don't know. They have, like, activities to do that are car related shenanigans. So look forward to that. It should be pretty fun tomorrow. I'm really excited to see, like, what they have planned. But I had to get some shit off my chest, and I figured I'd just make a little video. But yeah, I thank you guys for watching. The channel's growing. It's grown literally twice the size in, like, 2 months of what it has. It's taken me, I've been doing this for a year and a couple months now, so I'm really thankful for all you guys. Like, thank you so much, and take care of your people, please, and I'll catch you in the flip-flop.